Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking about the Pantone color of the year for 2026, Cloud Dancer. Now some would say it's not a color because white is achromatic, but it's such a flower-friendly color. Look at all the beautiful blooms that come in Cloud Dancer white. Thanks to our friends at Floral for providing us a great selection. Now you can do monochromatic, which is actually achromatic, or you could go ahead and do a true monochromatic design by adding it to another color. So mixing white with green gives you a monochromatic design, or it could be white and pink, white and yellow, white and red, whatever you like. Then you could take it a step further. Maybe you want to go to polychromatic in the pastels. Mixing it in, it plays well with so many different colors. If you don't want pastels, you can switch it. Go into the brights. And again, pair Cloud Dancer with any other colors that you would like. Now a special tip. If you are going to use the bright colors like this, tuck the white down low. Create a cloud underneath to support all those bright hues. So many different options available to us with the Pantone color of the year. Now you know. Find the right one. How the pros do it.